Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today it's about time I do something about these two Nokia 900 of mine. The one that has a good body shell has a bad battery. It just died. I left it in my showcase, I charged it for a while and it didn't want to do anything, so yeah. And this one with the cracked display, well, touchscreen. Don't know what to say about the body shell. I'll see when I tear them apart, and I'll pick what's the best of the two used body shells. But this one with the cracked touchscreen works. I've charged it and it works. At least it worked 2 days ago. So let's not waste any more time and get to it. And here they are. Good, it's focused. So this one just refuses to start, and it's either the main board or the battery. Pressing the power button, nothing happens. If I'm pressing this power button, it vibrated now. While this one starts, I'm going to disassemble this one. And it works. Any battery idea? Good. Let's turn it off. The SIM card holder. I've never disassembled one of these, and I'm making sure that there is no hidden screw around here. Okay, it's not. Second thought, I will try with this thing first, you know. I think I saw something here. Yeah. I knew it. This thing needs to be pulled. Safety. That's why you must have a sacrificial one first. If you don't know what you're doing, like I am. I never disassembled a phone like this before, you know. Yeah, there we go. Yes, you may turn off now. Goodbye. Bye-bye now. There we go. Phew. And here's the connector. Oh boy. I don't like what I'm seeing, but it's staying in place. Good. This is giving iPhone vibes. These are snapped plastic parts. I'm not gonna assemble them both back, I'm just gonna assemble one. The battery just disconnected. Good. Oh, I had one of these around. I didn't know what it was for. Now I know. Interesting. So we have the battery here. This is the main board, eh? Well, it's not hard to disassemble. Now I understand how it's supposed to be done. I'll take this out of the way for now and begin with this one. Let's start from the right this time, since I took the security pin out. Much more easier. Yeah. When you know what you're doing, it's easier. Okay, this is a start. Strong glue, what can I say? Oops. Yeah. Okay, it's not hot. That's a good thing. Oh, oops. I will try to connect this as it is. Maybe I can manage that, I hope. It connected. Oh my god. Nice. Let's see now. There we go. And I'm back. Well, it works. I have no idea what I'm reading here. I don't understand the language. This should be it. No. Why waste time? Yeah, I'll just take this out. I'm not wasting my time anymore since it's already taken out. I'll just take it out again. There we go. At least you know that battery is good. This one, okay, it's not hot. I was worried because I dented it, you know. This and this out. This should be the front-facing camera and the light sensor. Good. It's also glued on the back, eh? Yeah, something like that. The glue is still good, which is good, you know. There we go. There we have it. Well, this seal, it's clean. Taking it. This is also clean. I'm taking it. This one was cleaner. I'm gonna give it a fast clean. This is just coming out. Okay. Oh, undeniably this one is better. Just dirty. So just a dead battery problem. It happens. From time to time you must charge these phones or the battery will permanently die. Toothpick. Right, time to put it back together. Good. I just enjoyed this little connection crunch that I feel with my hand when pressing them, you know. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, this phone it's easy. I'm expecting it to be harder. Well, if you don't know what you're doing, it is hard, but Yeah, it connected. To put this needle back, more likely safety pin. Yeah, then like this. Okay, seems to be in its place. Fingers crossed. It vibrated, that's a good thing. Well, basically I did a whole brain swap and heart. I think that one that was in Netherlands, some German I think, or no, or whatever. The other one had no other languages installed, if I understood correctly what it was saying. For a second there I thought the touchscreen wasn't working. Haha. About phone update, speech, ease of access, region and language. Maybe it had, I don't know. Wait. It works. I wonder how many talk towers does this phone have. Yeah, it doesn't work on Windows. Well, done. And there we have it. Well, it's not Saturday, I just didn't adjust the clock. Anywho, it's done. It's working. It's looking very good actually. For a used phone. And it was dead. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful, and now you know how to disassemble the phone. And if it did help you, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and maybe subscribe. Please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. You might know this already, but I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye. This goes in my showcase. Somewhere here. Maybe there.